everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito reaction video. Ang sunset compilation, sabihin ko sana JM Piang, kasi mag-JM Piang ako after this, sorry. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Pina na lang best actor si Seth. I love it. Okay, yeah. Tuloy natin ito.
Filming your film.
Ay, bago lang to ah.
Me and Francine.
Ay, for me and Francine, hindi talaga nakakalimutan si
It's
Francine.
no easy day in shooting
Ah.
or filming a film.
May teleserye sila, di ba?
We trust in the process and we trust each other. We trust our team and we pray.
We pray. I love that.
As much as I am very grateful that I
Tawa na tawa siya that I have made it to the Hollywood.
it's very hard. But as an actress,
I would like to come back. I would like to come back. Hindi mo kaya.
like what Seth said, family,
Ang dami pa ng concept na compilation na yun. Ano lahat? In all? Dinudog show talaga tayo palagi ni Seth. I love that. I love that. Nagdinudog show niya talaga tayo.
parati akong may broken family.
Ah, okay. What's next?
Actor winner
Ito
na
na.
si Seth Fedelin ang pelikulang My Future You.
Yes. Nakaka-proud, no?
Siyempre kay Francine na nagtyaga, tinulungan ako. At sa Regal Entertainment na nagbigay ng panahon, nagbigay ng tsansa para subukan yung talento namin at anong kaya namin ibahagi para sa pelikulang Pilipino. Nobody. This month lang, sisimula na yung mga taping namin. Kaya busy na rin.
And then may isang pa-surprise
May
to.
pa-surprise tayo pero hindi natin sasabihin.
Simula sa simple na pasulap-sulap Mapapansin sa'yo Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe Nakilig ako Kumusta? Kain na Hello, magandang umaga Ingat ka, pahinga Huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa
Dami nilang sinasabi Malapit na nga akong mabingin Sa mga napunan nila Naku po!
Okay. Mavi or Seth?
Ay, si Bianca ata to si Seth. Oo.
Cause I can be the one
Waiting, eto na naman tayo sa mga lumang videos eh. Ito. I-check natin to kasi for sure may mga bago tong video eh. Ay, sabi ko na nga eh, di ba? Hindi to lumabas sa FYP ko.
This month lang, sisimula na yung mga taping namin Kaya busy na rin.
And then may
Yan ang akbay ng may karapatan for today's video. Yan yung may akbay ng karapatan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ay, naku. I love the song. Anyways, ay, Seth, isara ang bibig. Alam kong umiibig ka, pero isara mo ang bibig mo. Ang gwapo ni Seth. Ala, si Seth parang Italiano siya, no? Si Chindi, no? Pak! I love the attitude. Ay, girlfriend duties pala ang peg. Yan lang. Ay, kumakanta pa nga. Ang gwapo. Napakagwapo ng person. My God. Perfect sila, no? Ay! Bongga naman yun. Sino kasama nila? Ito yung mga hindi ko pa nakikita eh. Hala, ang gwapo ni Seth. Iba talaga pag in love, no? Baby, alone. Ay, ganun ba talaga yon?
So, since ito yung deck na nag-resonate sa'yo, I will shuffle it again. Tapos, pili ka ng...
Ay, ano to? Part 2. May part 2. Anong part 1?
Parang wala kang masabi dun
Ah, si ano ata si Chin yung part 1. Hula? Pero I don't believe in this, promise.
Slay. Sige.
Ako kasi yung tao na hindi ako yung
Re-react talaga.
sasalita. Hindi ako nang maraming sinasabi.
Gets naman. So, oo ka na lang na oo. If it resonates.
Pero alam ko yung ginagawa ko.
So, ayun. Just gotta take a stand. Yan.
Take a snap.
Isa lang.
Take a snap for today's video. Go!
May I see you? Ayan.
Future.
Future. Nothing is yet set in stone. So, ika nga, it will only be set in stone until you learn how to be more assertive and ask for help. Ang dami
Oh.
pang possibilities na
Nothing
mangyari.
is yet.
Set in stone. So, may mangyayari pa. Parang I know maybe the present circumstances feel very daunting or like feel so overwhelming. Pero sinasabi, may future pa naman. Talaga may future. So, parang huwag mong pangunahan. Ayun. Huwag mong pangunahan yung future. Kasi ang dami pang pwede mangyari as long as you take the right action. Which is to let other people help you out. Malabas
Okay.
kasi si judgment card, ayan. Literally judgment. So I think you kind of knew what happened, like you knew what you got into like in the past. Like very may self-awareness kasi to. Pag lumalabas si judgment card kasi parang it says na ayan kasi it's what you got yourself into, like ganun talaga. So parang kailangan ma-accept mo yung consequences
Ang gwapo naman ni Sassy Boy.
Consequence of what you did. And then si
Okay.
Four of Wands in reverse. So, pag upright siya, ayan.
Nakikinig
Four of
ako.
Wands, this is stability, foundation. So, parang all the actions that you put into like certain situations, syempre may foundation siya. But, I think medyo kalat yung energy mo. Either kalat yung energy mo or you were stuck
Kalat yung
to this
energy.
like you were stuck to this thing for the longest time na yung foundation pretty much crumbled eventually kasi you focused on it for too long.
English
So,
kasi.
you allow yourself to pivot towards like certain other things that you wanted.
English kasi.
And
Pwede ba yun?
once in reverse. Kapag upright siya, this is like an opportunity. Like someone who's very action-oriented. So parang binigyan ka ng opportunity tapos you just went with it. And then parang na-spark yung motivation mo. So naka-reverse siya. So parang along the lines of this, parang I am seeing na there was an opportunity for you, like to do like whatever you wanna do.
Asan yung kay
And then you can't
Chin?
really stick to it talaga. Pero it was like, how do I explain it? Parang you were in it for too long na parang the foundation just like crumbled kasi you weren't allowing yourself to change or pivot. So yun yung parang lesson from the past. Parang you also were kind of aware na parang man, like, I've gotten into this for too long. I think I should change. Pero you were so scared kasi nga, you didn't know what will happen after that. So parang sinasabi yung lesson from the past, I think you gotta know, pag you know na you have to pivot, you just gotta go with it. Like, you don't need a plan all the time. Sometimes you just gotta get out. Pick like a deck that kind of like resonates.
Uunahin ko na po yun na nilalabas sa bibig ko ay galing sa puso ko.
Ito yung speech niya.
Isa lang masasabi ko, ang mga Pinoy sa lahat ng ginagawa,
Nag-excel
hindi
talaga.
nawawala ang puso.
True.
Tama? Kahit saan tayo magpunta, pag may nakasalubong tayong Pinoy, alam natin na Pinoy yun. At maraming salamat dito sa lahat na nakapanood at ako ang napili na isa sa nakitaan ng potential siguro sa pag-arte. Maraming salamat po. Ang dami pong magagaling dito, ang dami pong mga iniidolo ko. Nandito si Kuya Arjo, isa sa magaling. Ayan.
Ay, andyan din pala si Arjo Atayde.
Si nag-iisang Janice Rebellet, at syempre,
Oh.
nandito rin si Tita Ibiang, Sylvia Sanchez. Ang dami pong magagaling.
Ang dami magagaling.
na actors sa Pilipinas.
Sino kalaban niya sa ano?
Kaya pong,
Sa...
nilabas sa Pilipinas, o hindi
Sa
lang
Best
sa
Actor.
Pilipinas,
Sino yung mga
sa
nominees?
hindi, sa buong mundo.
Anyways, that is our for today's video. Congratulations, Seth, our fan set.